What's up, you guys? Welcome back to WIDEBODY Nation. We need to talk, and it's about splitter / bumper guards that everybody leaves on their cars. I'm thinking that these offer a great level of protection. I mean, they're made from the factory, and then when you add the ones from my 2018 Charger Daytona to it, it just seems like it provides that extra level of protection that these cars need. I mean, they're pretty low, they're wide, and then when you get the banana that tells the air to go in to cool the brakes, I mean, that's just, I mean, look at these brakes. These brakes need that banana to tell the air to come on in, and look at the fitment here. I mean, this is top notch right here, folks. So, I mean, personally, I see why so many people like to leave that stuff on their cars. I'll probably leave this on for 10, 20, 30,000 miles. You know, why not? It's designed from the factory. Why wouldn't you do that? All right, guys, on a serious note, obviously I am joking about that. I'm gonna go ahead and take those off right now. The car only has a couple hundred miles on it, and I left the one splitter guard on because there was a very, very steep parking garage, check it out right here, that I was almost certain I would have to scrape in, so I had the dealership leave it on just so I would be sure not to scrape it the first day in the parking garage. Other than that, I'm taking it off in this video. I'm taking off the extra stuff. I just had those left over from my old Charger, the 2018 and the 2017. And then obviously the banana thing was kind of a meme thing. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and also hit the like button while you're down there. Stay tuned for the next video. It will explain why I have a whole set of wide body wheels in the Charger right now. So with that being said, let's go ahead and move the car back into the garage so that you guys can not be so triggered anymore. All right, so in order to get these off, all you really need is a flathead screwdriver. It takes like 2 seconds, and I know this because I've already done it. I just put all that stuff back on there to get you guys all hot and bothered, because I know so many people feel so strongly about these lovable splitter guards. And some of you guys were telling me that the reason that it's now pink and not yellow anymore is because Dodge is trying to incentivize less and less people to leave them on there, but you know, they can only bulletproof it so much. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the splitter guards, and then I'll let you guys know if the bananas are gonna stay on there or not. On a serious note, to actually protect the paint for the Charger, we're gonna go with the wrap. Now, I'm thinking, really leaning towards wrapping the entire car a satin gray, like the 3M 2080 satin gray. I think that would look really good with just with all the black accents. I think the satin gray would look really good. I think I'm gonna do the hood gray as well. I'm gonna do the hood the same color as this, unless you guys have a better idea, which comment down below. And then we're gonna do the roof, the satin black, not matte black, because a lot of people get it twisted and they do matte, and then matte actually stains pretty easy from what I have seen. And then we will go ahead and do the trunk and the spoiler right here. We'll do that black, but this will still be gray, and then the rest of this will be the gray as well. So the look I'm going for is a kind of a titanium gray, destroyer gray-esque, because I couldn't order this car in destroyer gray. I am a big fan of paint protection film, but with this car, I kind of want the whole thing to be protected, because you guys see these meaty 305s up here kicking up all sorts of stuff on the back fenders right here. And honestly, we'd have to do like almost a full siding of paint protection right here. So instead of spending $2-3 grand on paint protection, I'll just spend a little bit of extra money on the entire wrap and wrap it the exact color I want. And since we're gonna be wrapping the roof and the trunk anyway, we might as well. Now, as far as the C8 goes, do you guys think I should just go full branding mode and do, you know, black roof and maybe some sort of black stuff on the trunk? Maybe even a black hood? What do you guys think about a black hood for the C8? I feel like the C8 could look cool. Same thing, like, you know, obviously gold wheels. We got gold wheels next to the toolbox right here, and the bananas gold wheels. And then gray all around, but then black, satin black hood. I have a clear roof on the way, do not worry. So I guess that's already taken care of as far as black roof goes. What do you guys think about the trunk area though? Do you guys think we should do like a satin black trunk? Or do you think we should just go like full, basically full race car, like all one color? I want some black accents on here. I just don't really know how we want to exactly skin the cat here on the C8. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And then we're gonna leave all of these carbon flash accents. We'll leave those black. You know, we'll have a black spoiler. This will be black. Black mirrors. What do you guys think about the A pillars right here? You think they should stay? Probably go body color with this, but keep this black. And then it's really, so this is carbon flash right here. That'll stay. But then it's really this big clamshell, you know, rear hood or trunk lid or whatever you want to call it that I am really trying to decide on, because Chevy did the work for us as far as the black accent goes. I mean, we have all these accents. We have this whole carbon flash diffuser back here. So I think it should be a relatively simple one. It's really just like the little things here, like so hood, A pillars, and deciding what we want to do with this. All right, so a couple things. First of all, I know the dealer is supposed to take it off, but they gave me the option and I told them to leave it on, specifically because I wanted to make this video for you guys. I feel like it's such a crazy topic in the Mopar community and just in the car community in general. I had to take advantage of it. Next, the car is super dirty. We drove it all the way back from the Nashville area down to south of Atlanta and then put some miles on it, going to get the wheels and then doing some other stuff. So the car is mega dirty. I owe you guys a full wash and shine, interior and exterior. The interior is still a little bit dusty from how long it's sat on the lot, or not the lot, but in storage for. After it was made, it was sat for almost 2 months before getting to the dealership. So I will go ahead and film that first wash for you guys, but it's raining out today. It is not very nice, so we're gonna go ahead and wait till tomorrow when it is relatively sunny and about 50 degrees to wash it up. I'm gonna go ahead and either sell these on eBay or Facebook Marketplace, and I'll get them out of your life. So that is the last time you guys are gonna be seeing those, luckily for you. Now, if you guys notice the wheels in the Charger, that is the next video. So go ahead and make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and I will see you guys for the next video.